Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a Christmas dip powder nail design using Revel nail dip powders. So let's get right into the video. On my nails I'm using tips today because my nails broke. So let's pretend it's my natural nails and I have a layer of gel base and gel top coat. Now I apply a layer of peel off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step and I wait for it to dry. Starting on the middle finger, I'm using this gold glitter dip powder. So I place a thin layer of base on the whole nail and then I laid my finger parallel to the dip powder so that it could pick up more of the dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. Now on the index finger I'm doing 3 layers of the white dip powder. On my ring finger I do 2 layers of the white dip powder because I'm going to be encapsulating some nail accessories, so I don't want the nail to be too thick. Now on the pinky nail I did 3 layers of the white dip powder. So on the index finger I apply base to the whole nail and then I did the top method ombre with the gold dip powder. Then I poured some of the clear dip powder on the nail. I did the same for my pinky nail as well, but the ombre on the pinky nail did not come out as good. It was still cute though. On the ring finger I placed base on the whole nail and then I stuck my gold metal snowflakes on my nail. And then I sprinkled some of the gold dip powder on the nail as well. Then I encapsulated the nails with clear dip powder. I did 2 layers, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I apply my Mother One's gel top coat and I cure it for 30 seconds. So when the nails cool down, I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. If you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!